Hello, my name is Gayatri Sanjay Khirnar, and today's topic is static keyword in Java, and date is 28 December 21. So let's start with our today's topic. What are keywords in Java? Uh, Keywords are also known as a reserved keyword. Keyword are particularly word that act as a key to code. These are predefined words by Java, so they cannot be used as a variables or object name or a class. There are 57 keywords in Java. Some of them are abstract, boolean, character, byte, etc. So let's start with our today's topic, static keywords. So what are static keywords in Java? In Java, keywords are the reserved words. In them, static is a keyword. Static keyword is mainly used for memory management. Uh, it can be used with variable, class, method, blocks, and nested classes. It is a keyword which is used to share the same variables or method of a given class. Uh, Basically, static is used for constant variables or a method that is same for every instances of a class. The main method of class is generally labeled as a static, that is that can be used in main method. Uh, that is in the public static word main string arguments method. In our If we want to create a static members, we need blocks, variables, method, and nested class for that particular to declare that particular methods. Uh, when a member of class is declared as static, it can be accessed before the object of class. Uh, it can be accessed before the object of class created without any object reference. In Java, static keyword is non-SS modifier and can be used for static block, static class, static method, static variable, and static classes. Uh, in that first one is the static blocks. Uh, if we need to initialize static variable, we need to declare a static blocks that get executed exactly once when class is first loaded. um, when class is first loaded, the Java program understand that static blocks in programs. Next one is the static variables. When we declare a variable as a static, then the single copy of that variables is created and divided among all object and class level. Static variables are global variables. Basically, all instances of classes share the same static variable. Static variable can be created at a class level only. Uh, Next is static methods. Uh, when we declare a static method, we need to use the particular static keyword in main method. It is also known as the static methods. The example of static method is main method. Methods are declared using uh, static keyword only. Uh, Static method declare as to declare that particular static method, we can have the following some of following restrictions. They can directly call other static method only, and they can access static data directly. Next is a static class. uh, a class can be static only if it is a uh, Nested class doesn't need a reference of outer class. In this case, static class cannot access non-static member of outer class. Mm, Static keyword can be mm, in that final keyword also. The final keyword is used to indicate that the uh, variables of particular class holds a constant value. That's all about today's topic, static keywords in Java. Thank you.